Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Bigo ID on Bigo Live. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Bigo Live application. Make sure you are logged into your Bigo Live account. Now tap on the Me option, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your displayed profile picture. Now tap on the paper and pencil icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Bigo ID option. Tap on it. Now change your Bigo ID. Once you are done, tap on the Save button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can change your Bigo ID on Bigo Live. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.